I like it better than I'm not looking at myself. So when I look at myself getting my hair cut, I'm like, dang. Hey, my name is Nari, and this is Hair Me Out. Today I will be dyeing my hair to a pastel pink and getting it cut to a short bob. Before we get into the transformation, don't forget to subscribe below. So, for the past few years, I've been in the performance industry, doing theater, music theater, everything on a stage, and changing my hair color or getting it cut was seen as a huge career change regarding the roles you'll play or how you're seen on stage, and it's really looked down upon. I've decided to take a step back from the performance industry, and because of that, I just feel like I can do whatever I want with my hair, and it's really exciting. In high school, I played around with dyeing my hair a darker brown, and I didn't really feel like it was me, but I've been highlighting it for the past 3 years or so, and over the summer I played around with dip dyeing my ends pink, and I really liked it. That change was just the start and the spark that started this whole transition.
Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna cut a little bit today?
We are.
All right.
So a nice fluffy bob. I don't know if fluffy is the word.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. The short bob is a very carefree hairstyle, in my opinion. I'm excited to just kind of let it be and not have it be in my face and not have to put it back and have it be so easy and I don't have to mess with it. Thank you so much.
Now let's have some fun with color.
Let's have some fun. Here we go.
Get comfortable,
Okay.
because it takes a second.
So my hair, to me, expresses a lot of personality, and especially because I've never done a drastic change and I feel like I am going through a career assessment, a life assessment, if you will, I definitely think it's time for my hair to reflect that as well. I think I've been doing it in my appearance with my clothes, I've been trying out more risky fashion trends, and I'm ready for my hair to reflect that, pep in my step and change as well. I am nervous. Besides highlights, I've never bleached it or done it a permanent full color. Of course I'm nervous that I'm gonna be like, oh, I don't know if this is exactly what I wanted, but your hair, you can change it whenever you want. It's always gonna grow back. You can always change it to something you know you love. You always have that option. My friends and colleagues that are still performing and doing theater, I have a feeling that they'll see the hair and immediately say like, well, what are you gonna do about auditions? What are you gonna do when a casting director sees your hair? What's gonna be the outcome of this? I know that everyone's gonna question it because of that reason. And to that, I say like, I'm just going through a change. It's reflecting in my appearance. I'm really happy about the change. And I like the unexpected, it's exciting.
You look gorgeous.
Yay! Thank you, Molly.
Thank you.
Thank you, Leo.
Thank you.
Yay! For real though, this looks so, I'm so happy. I have never seen my hair like this. The color is so great, and just with this short cut, it feels really healthy. It fits my character and this new me. I wish I had done this sooner, but in retrospect, I'm just so happy that I'm in a place in my life that I was able to do this right now. I'm really excited to play around with it and just show everyone my bold new look.